Before diving into the specifics of compounding in mutual funds, it is essential to grasp the concept itself. Compounding का मतलब है the ability of an investment to generate earnings, which are then reinvested to generate even more earnings over time. Understanding compounding. Compound interest occurs not only on the initial investment but also on the interest accumulated over time. This gradual growth leads to an exponential increase in returns, akin to a snowball effect rolling down the hill. How compounding works in a mutual fund investment. Mutual funds पूल इन्वेस्टर्स मनी जिसको एक डाइवर्सिफाइड पोर्टफोलियो में इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है और उसे प्रोफेशनल फंड मैनेजर्स मैनेज करते हैं. अर्निंग्स फ्रॉम दीज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इंक्लूडिंग कैपिटल गेन्स एंड डिविडेंड्स आर रीइन्वेस्टेड इन द फंड, amplifying the growth through compounding. Components of compounding in mutual funds. Regular investment contributions. Systematic investment plans, SIPs, enable investors to contribute fixed amount at regular intervals, enhancing wealth creation over the long term. Reinvestment of capital gains. Mutual funds often distribute capital gains which can be reinvested to capitalize the power of compounding. Growth of net asset value, NAV. As the underlying security appreciate, the NAV of the mutual fund increases, further augmenting returns through compounding. Long-term investment horizon. Compounding is most effective over an extended period, allowing for an accumulation of earnings and exponential growth. Considerations and risks. हालांकि कंपाउंडिंग एक सिग्निफिकेंट वेल्थ जनरेट क्रिएट करने का पोटेंशियल ऑफर करता है, लेकिन म्यूचुअल फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ जुड़े मार्केट रिस्क को एक्नॉलेज करना भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. सीकिंग गाइडेंस from financial advisors can help in making informed decisions aligned with investment goals and risk tolerance. The power of compounding in mutual funds presents a remarkable opportunity for long-term wealth creation. By leveraging the benefits of compounding through regular investments and reinvestments of earnings, investors can embark on a journey towards financial security and achieve their investment objectives.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.